Using white vinegar to remove permanent hair dye.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to use white vinegar to remove permanent hair dye. If you've ever wanted to get rid of a hair color that just didn't turn out the way you expected, or if you're simply ready for a change, then this video is for you. So let's jump right into it.
What is white vinegar?
Before we get into the process of removing permanent hair dye with white vinegar, let's quickly talk about what white vinegar actually is. White vinegar is a type of vinegar that is made from fermented distilled alcohol. It is usually clear and has a strong, sour taste. In addition to being commonly used in cooking and cleaning, white vinegar can also be used as a natural and affordable option for fading or removing permanent hair dye.
The process of using white vinegar to remove permanent hair dye.
Step 1. Prepare your mixture. To begin, you'll need to prepare a mixture of white vinegar and warm water. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and warm water in a bowl. The amount of mixture you prepare will depend on the length and thickness of your hair. For shorter hair, a smaller amount will suffice, whereas longer or thicker hair may require more. Step 2. Apply the mixture to your hair. Next, apply the white vinegar and water mixture to your hair. Start by pouring it over your hair, ensuring that your hair is thoroughly saturated with the mixture. You can use a spray bottle, a squeeze bottle, or simply pour it from a bowl. Make sure to focus on the areas where you want to remove the permanent hair dye. Step 3. Massage and comb through. Once the mixture is applied, massage it into your hair and scalp. This will help distribute the vinegar and water mixture evenly and ensure that it reaches all the strands of hair. You can also use a wide tooth comb to gently comb through your hair, ensuring that the mixture is distributed from roots to ends. Step 4. Let it sit and rinse. After massaging and combing through, let the mixture sit on your hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will allow the vinegar to penetrate the hair shaft and help break down the molecules of the permanent hair dye. Once the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. Step 5. Condition and moisturize. After rinsing out the vinegar mixture, it's important to condition and moisturize your hair. The vinegar can be drying, so using a deep conditioner or a hair mask will help replenish moisture and restore the health of your hair. Apply the conditioner or mask according to the instructions and leave it on for the recommended time before rinsing it out. Step 6. Repeat if necessary. If you find that the permanent hair dye hasn't faded as much as you'd like, you can repeat the process. However, be mindful of the potential drying effect of the vinegar on your hair. It's always a good idea to give your hair some time to rest and recover between treatments. And there you have it. Using white vinegar to remove permanent hair dye is a natural and affordable option worth trying if you're looking to change or fade your hair color. Remember to prepare the vinegar and water mixture, apply it to your hair, massage and comb through, let it sit, rinse, and then condition and moisturize. If needed, you can repeat the process, but be mindful of the potential drying effect on your hair. We hope